Fast and easy Ratatouille with F and Sharp. Using the F and Sharp Santoku knife for all this veggie prep, quick and easy. Just going to cut an onion into about 1-inch pieces, smash some garlic cloves, finally mince that up. Once you get to the end of the garlic clove, go ahead and just flip that little end over, slice through that. We'll get into our zucchini and yellow squash. We're going to just quarter those about even-sized pieces so it cooks evenly into a hot pan with some olive oil, our onion and garlic to sweat. While that's happening, just some Roma tomatoes here, cutting into quarters, and then I will cut that down. This is going to cook down, so it doesn't have to be perfect, but we just want to get those broken down to help the process out a bit here. Sweating those down, seasoned with salt and pepper, just about every stage, so everything is well seasoned and tasty. Cutting the cheeks off of a bell pepper and then into strips. You can go ahead and cut out that middle rib if you want. It's just a preference. If you don't care for it because of the color, then go ahead and discard it, or you can just add it in, your choice. A little white wine vinegar, or white wine if you have it, a little pinch of sugar, some seasoning like fresh thyme, fresh basil, and once that's all cooked down, go ahead and plate it up, garnished with a little more fresh basil, and make sure to visit fandsharp.com.